Hey there. Intelligence Bureau, Ministry of Home Affairs, has released a notification for the recruitment of Assistant Central Intelligence Officer Executive. There are huge number of vacancies in this post, approx 2000. Any graduate pass candidate can apply for this post, and the post rank is moderately high. The pay scale will be according to the pay matrix level 7, and the salary range 44,900 to 1,42,400. In this video, I will show you in detail notification, what are the requirements and essential criteria, and step-by-step application process. So don't make any mistake guys, stay with me and see this video till the end. Hello guys, this is Somen here and you are watching Government Jobs Query. If you are new in this channel, then I will request you to subscribe our channel and make sure you press the bell icon for future job notification and application process. Let's see the notification. This is the official notification guys. Here you can see the post description. General Central Service Group C, non-gazetted, non-ministerial post, and the number of approx vacancies for unreserved category 989, for economical weaker section 113, for OBC candidate 417, SC candidate 360, for ST candidate 121. Total 2000 number of vacancies are there. And next is essential qualification. If you have passed the graduation in any discipline, then you can apply for this post, and your age must be in between 18 years to 27 years. ST and SC candidate will get maximum 5 years of age relaxation, and OBC candidate will get maximum 3 years of age relaxation, and the departmental candidate, their maximum age would be 40 years. Next, center or city of examination. Friends, all the center and city of examination is given here. According to your preference, you choose 3 city for your tier 1 examination. And the next is scheme of examination. The examination process will be conducted in 3 tiers. Tier 1 examination, total 100 objective type MCQ question, that will be divided into 5 parts: general awareness, quantitative aptitude, numerical, analytical, logical ability and reasoning, English language and general studies. The duration of tier 1 examination is 1 hour for 100 marks. Next, tier 2 examination. The tier 2 examination will be descriptive type paper of 50 marks. Duration will be 100 hours for 50 marks. And the tier 3 is the interview process. Now I am showing the application process. To apply for this post, you have to register yourself, then only you can apply for this post. This is the registration link. I will give you the registration link in the description box. Here, by default, the post applied section is selected, and you have to enter your name, you have to enter your mobile number, confirm your mobile number, enter your email ID, confirm your email ID, and enter your screen capture. that is showing over here and click on submit button. After submit this registration form, you will get the registration number and password through your registered email ID or registered mobile number. After that, you have to log in with your registration number and your password. Once you log in, this application form will open and you have to fill up this application form very carefully. First, select your exam city preference 1. Then select exam city preference 2. Then select your category, select your gender, select your date of birth. If you are an ex-serviceman, then click yes, otherwise no. If you are a departmental candidate, then click yes, otherwise no. If you are domiciled in the state of Jammu and Kashmir between these two dates, then click yes, otherwise no. If your parents or your grandfather or grandmother were victim of communal riots of 2020 in Gujarat, then click on yes, otherwise click on no. If you are a sports person, then click yes, otherwise no. After filling up, click on save and next button. Here you have to put your personal details, enter your father name, enter your mother name, enter your marital status, enter your religion, enter your ID proof type, PAN card, Aadhaar card, driving license, voter ID or any other. Enter your home state. Contact details is by default selected. Enter your address details, enter your city, enter your permanent address details, after giving all the details correctly, click on save and next button. After giving the personal details, you have to give your qualification details. First, this section is for matriculation details. This is for your higher secondary education details or diploma education details. This is your graduation details. And if you have additional qualification, then you can write your additional qualification over here. And desirable qualification is knowledge of computer. You have to click on yes, don't click on no, then click on save and next button. Here you have to upload your photo and signature. Click here to upload. Browse. Then put your screen capture, then click on I agree checkbox. First click on preview button. This is your application form preview. Then click on submit button. After that, you have to pay your application fees that will be shown here. So thank you guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question regarding this, comment in comment box. Bye for now, take care.